Hapakani windmill kadang terikam. Te boleh manding pat siang mani.
Kan tipis na meh mga. Miya ka meh was na.
Be, kabiang ta.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Manus nam da ki lagbon ki bakwa penpinda be ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na gabenda ka neat.
Kila don armut ki priu ki balale Dawa Pisa na ki dukan ki badon Hadien Road Shalong. Bat kita ki bawan Dawa Pisa ki ada ka slip jong ka seng UHM. Ki nongsong dukan kila pentep ya kanisi ki borsnong bat ki borsnong pat kila pentep sa ki pulet. Ki pulet kila Pynap Shrip la bonsi ban yo kem ya kita ki brio henry day tat hadu menhenen kasi ka arpo arterek ujemang arja pun rio. Ba kila wanmi biang bat la kem ya ki. Kini baru arngut ki Dkhot jong ka seng UHM bat menta kasi ka arpo lai terek la wanra ya ki sa yang bishar.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.